We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Stuffed Animals Storage Hammock Net Corner by mirolam, a large, cool Y2K-style adult toy hammock hanging organizer designed for boys' room decor and funny Gothic decorations. This product is made from 100% cotton and measures 41 by 41 by 53 inches, coming in a 2-pack set. It is designed to hold a large number of stuffed animals, making it an excellent space-saving and durable storage solution. The premium cotton material is soft, eco-friendly, and built to last, which appeals to those looking for both functionality and sustainability in their storage options. Many users appreciate the practical yet aesthetically pleasing design of this hammock. Unlike plain toy nets, this handmade macrame toy hammock not only keeps plushies well organized, but also serves as a charming room decor piece with a bohemian vibe. It adds a creative and fun element to children's bedrooms, playrooms, or nurseries by displaying their stuffed animals in an upper corner, which kids tend to love. The included wall-mounting anchors and hooks make installation straightforward, typically achievable within 10 minutes without the need for professional help. Customers frequently highlight the ease of installation, even for those who consider themselves not handy or prefer a quick setup. The hammock is versatile in how it can be mounted, adapting to different room layouts and spaces. It holds more stuffed animals than many expect, offering a high-quality look and feel. The rope used is thick and sturdy, and the color usually black as pictured matches, well with various room themes, especially boho or Gothic styles. The durability of the hammock is another strong point noted by users. It supports a significant weight of stuffed animals without sagging or tearing, maintaining its shape and appearance over time. Some reviewers mention that the large size can take up considerable room, with a width that can span about 60 inches, so placement above windows or in larger corners is sometimes necessary. The instructions suggest using an 8mm drill bit for anchors, but some found this too large, recommending smaller drill bits between 5mm and 6mm for a snug fit. Care should be taken to avoid drilling into studs when using wall anchors, as this can complicate installation. The quality of materials is praised for being thick, well-made, and resistant to washing, which adds to its longevity and ease of maintenance. It perfectly complements boho-themed rooms and serves as an ideal storage space for stuffed animals that families want to keep but not clutter the floor. The net allows all stuffed animals to be visible, creating a playful display rather than hidden storage. This product is also highly recommended for small living spaces, such as apartments, where floor space is limited. It provides a safe and organized alternative to keeping stuffed animals in cribs or on the floor. Some users also see potential for using the hammock to store blankets or other soft items, demonstrating its versatility beyond just toys. Overall, the Stuffed Animals Storage Hammock Net by mirolam scores highly with a 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 4,300 ratings. It ranks as the #1 nursery hanging organizer and is popular among parents looking for a stylish, functional, and durable solution to toy storage. The product offers great value for money, combining ease of use, aesthetic appeal, and robust construction. If you have this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.